Hello, ma'am. So I am Joshua Bidibera from BPA 3C.
I'm Christian Monteroso from UPA 3C.
I'm Alkinis Gayos from BPA 3C.
So the first question, ma'am, is our question for today is how do science and technology affect your daily life as a student?
Uh, for me, science and technology are very helpful in my daily life. As a student, I use technology to search mm, for information and communicate with my classmates and complete school activities. It also helps me to save time because I easily find information online.
Okay.
How about you?
For me is I um, using a smartphone to how to communicate the others or especially with my family like that, and using the internet, using research, lesson, and AI, mga yan. Like efficient to use to every day and like that, and like sometimes I go to mountain and I also used to using to Google Map to easily find the way like that. And using online banking like mga um, land bank, mga video to efficient online transaction.
And also, science and technology make my daily life easier or our life easier as a student as we also use our phones for internet, especially in research and for school activities, right?
Yes.
So the next question for you,
Yes.
Christian, is think of a problem in your community that can be addressed through science and technology.
Barangay Lorogan's Valencia City's issue of so many garbage, and so community may experience problem with improper garbage disposal. Like science can help us understand how waste affects people's and health and environment. Like technology can help through recycling machines and proper waste collection and system garbage monitoring, um, and also an information campaign through social media.
How about you,
mga
Alkin?
barangay.
For me, one problem sa among community is like po the proper waste disposal. It can cause population and affect our health.
In our community, our problem in our community is disaster preparedness. Technology can help through early warning system, weather monitoring, and emergency communication. This can help us people prepare and respond before a disaster. So our main problem is disaster preparedness.
Okay.
So our third question is describe a real life situation where technology has both positive and negative effects on people or society.
Okay. People helps communicate easily and also provides informations and educations content and help businesses problem and the products, and also allows people to stay connected with friends and family.
How about you, Alkin?
For me, one good example is social media. Positive siya because it helps people communicate and have information quickly. As students, we can also social media to communicate about our school activities.
Good. For me also, technology helps us communicate and get information quickly. However, it can also spread fake news, so we should use it responsibly.
Also, negative for that question is can cause distractions and among students, and also false information and can spread quickly.
Agree.
Okay, I agree.
Yes, my negative is yes, pero na po siya negative effects. Sometimes people spend too much time sa ilang phones. And sometimes false information can spread very quickly.
Yeah, correct.
So our last question is, how do science and technology contribute to the development and progress of the Philippines?
Okay. Example of that is education, because technology allows students to use the internet, computers, and online learning materials to study and find information more easily. And also healthcare. Because healthcare, science and technology help doctors and nurses through modern medical and equipments and medicines and better ways to treating the patients.
For me, science and technology help the Philippines develop by making education, healthcare, and public service to faster and easier.
We have also the same question, and for me also is science and technology help our country improve education, healthcare, transportation, and public services. They also create new opportunities, businesses and jobs which can contribute to economic growth. Agree?
Yes.
I agree.
Nice, agree.
Thank you, ma'am.
Wait,
Thank you.
to feedback ay kon ba
Thank you.
reflection na to. This activity, ma'am, we are learn a lot about the situation and questions, and we are here to thank you and salamat.
That's also, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you. Gabi na namin, ma'am. Alas 6 naman mo. Alas 6 naman mo. Bigyan na kayo, ma'am mo.
Tara, tayo.